Hey guys, so it's me, Jazz. I'm supposed to be making lunch for the kids because they're actually outside playing, but we're going to be planting some seeds. So I'm going to show you how to plant one of my favorite cut flowers, and it's Cosmos. And we have 4 different varieties, so you can hear the kids outside playing. But we're going to quickly plant these seeds and then get some lunch going for the kiddos. Alrighty guys, so as always, you're going to label your container. We're doing this on a budget, so we're using some old egg cartons that we have here. I'm going to be showing you how to plant these Cosmos seeds. Okay, so I've actually already planted the white Cosmos, and then inside this container we're going to have the apricota. And I'm going to show you a close-up of what these seeds look like, and then we're going to get to planting these out. Okay, so here's what the Cosmos seeds look like, and we're going to be placing one in each cell. You have to make sure you read the instructions on the pack because some of your seeds require 3 seeds per cell. So I'm gently just going to place one Cosmo there, and I may get some falling, but that's okay. We're doing this quickly together. They're falling everywhere. So I'm going to get these planted and then show you guys the next step. Okay, so I finished planting these out and a couple fell. So that's okay too. So we have 2 of the Cosmos here. And then you want to try to get one in each spot. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I have them placed lightly on top of the soil. So then you're just going to take a thin layer of dirt and place it on top. That's it. And then we're going to just take a little pinch and just lightly cover. That's it. So you can also press down, but I want to keep the seeds in place. So I'm just going to lightly cover. Alrighty guys, so I did sort of an experiment. I kept the lid on one of the Cosmos, and that was the sensational mix. And now I'm placing them up under the grow lights. So I'm trying to see if keeping the lid on, which retains moisture, trying to see if that will help them germinate faster. But keep in mind, we watered them with hot water, so that helps them to germinate even faster. So I'm going to show you guys an update of what they look like. Planted the apricota Cosmos in the brown. We have the sensational mix, and then we do have the terracotta rose. And I'm going to show you what they look like, and it's only been about a week and a half. So these are the other seedlings that we have grown together. If you haven't watched those videos, go back and watch those videos. So we do have our snapdragons. You just saw the zinnias and some of the other seedlings that we are growing, and stay tuned. So I've always grown Cosmos in the ground, but here they are. This is the terracotta Xenia. I'm probably not saying the name right, but these are the terracotta rose Cosmos. Then we have the sensational mix. These are the ones that germinated with the lid on, and I did see a faster germination with the lid being on, so I'm glad that I tried that experiment. And also you can see that these Cosmos are further along than the terracotta rose ones, the Xenia. And then, so we have our snapdragons here. And then remember the Cosmos that we planted in the brown carton. So these are the apricota. So the apricota for me, they're a little bit slower growing, but they are worth the wait because they're super beautiful. So I did notice today that we have some roots coming out of the carton. Let's see if you can see some roots right there. So I do like using this material. It's just a little bit hard once it gets wet. It's very flimsy, but the roots are able to breathe. But I think the variety of the apricota just takes a little bit longer to germinate or get going. But I'm super excited. So it's only been a little over a week, and those are our cosmos. So thank you guys for growing with me. Please consider subscribing to the YouTube channel if you haven't already, and please give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and happy growing. Peace, love, and flowers.